Hello everyone, how you doing? This is Adrian. This is FYS 101. This is specific to the Focus 2 assignment, Focus 2 number 4, actually, if I have my numbering correct. And in this assignment, you go ahead and go into your portal. I'll just drag over here, go into Students. And in your portal, when you go to Students Home, I have to switch over because as an instructor, I have my own portal and I have a student portal. So I can do this back and forth. You end up going into Academic and Advising. You hop into Academic and Advising, Focus 2, Focus 2 will pop on up, and I've done these, like I said before, about 100 times, and we're doing this guy right here, Values Assessment. And when you do the Values Assessment, the first screen that pops up, it'll ask you to choose 3 things. So you choose 3 from the list below, and from here, I'm going to be all about the money, I'm going to be all about the independence, and I'm going to work with, be creative. I'm going to be creative. And with that, when you go ahead and continue, it'll jump you over to another window and to there, we'll scroll on down and it'll give you an alphabetical list of occupations. And so for the assignment, like we've done in the past, just go ahead and toggle this, switch it to salary, update it, and you'll see the top earners pop up on the top here. Now I'm looking for you to source out those top ones first. Look at that, computer and information system managers. That's right in line with everybody in class, right? And then pick the top ones from here, and then you'll find through the questions, I'm looking for you to find another one that may not be in the top ones, but might be your own preference. And then there's a few other questions pertaining to what particular occupational family is it in, what supporting programs are at Harper, and what particular job family, excuse me, I said occupational family. And that's how you get into your Focus 2 assignment. Now that's found in, if I scroll back over here, that's found in your learning module, specifically module number 1, 2, 3. That giveaway is I'm wearing a yellow shirt, so you should be able to know it's in the yellow folders, right? So week number 5, module number 3, and you'll see in week number 5, you're going to have the Passport 2 for information literacy, and you're going to have post and response number 4, which I'll dial that one up for you in a second here. I haven't actually loaded that one in yet. And then the Focus 2 number 4 value assessment. Fill those in, submit them, I'll grade them, and then you'll see them in the grade book. Okay, guys, have a great one. Good luck with this Passport assignment, and you'll see the assignment and this fancy video in that folder. Thanks, guys. Signing off.